Make sure it's exactly 40 by 40. This is important for creating characters in Melon Playground. Then tap Next.
Choose Simple Template.
You'll see a button with a plus icon. Tap it. Select From Device, then open Files or Photos. Scroll and select the character template.
I will place the template link in the description.
When it loads, you'll see all the body parts separated. Now comes the fun part, designing your character. Create a Spider-Man-inspired look, add the red and blue suit, add web patterns, and design the mask with big white eyes. Take your time and make it look the way you want.
Now, use the selection tool to select each body part one by one and save them separately.